Welcome to our step-by-step guide to installing on-grid solar panels. With rising energy costs and a growing concern for the environment, more homeowners are turning to solar energy as a sustainable solution. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of installing solar panels that are connected to the grid, allowing you to generate your own electricity while still having access to power from your utility company. The initial phase of the procedure involves planning. You'll have to evaluate your energy requirements. To determine your sanctioned load, you can refer to your electricity bill. Based on your sanctioned load, you can decide whether solar energy is a viable option. If your sanctioned load is insufficient, you can contact your local electricity board and request an increase. Once you've completed the planning phase, a technician will conduct a thorough inspection of your roof to ensure it can support the weight of the solar panels and that it receives adequate sunlight throughout the day. Now it's time for the installation. The technicians will mount the racking system onto your roof and secure the solar panels in place. They'll also connect the panels to an inverter, which converts the DC electricity generated by the panels into AC electricity that can be used in your home. Before your system can go online, it will need to pass inspection by your local electricity board. Once your system has passed inspection, it's time to connect to the grid. Your solar installer will work with your utility company to complete this step, ensuring that your system is properly integrated with the existing power infrastructure. And finally, it's time to activate your solar panels. With everything in place and connected, you can start generating your own clean, renewable energy right from your own roof. We will harness electricity from the grid to power our household needs. Any surplus electricity generated will be supplied to the Karnataka Electric Board (KEB). The electricity we consume will be at no cost, while any additional or unused electricity will be reimbursed by the KEB. A subsidy of up to 78,000 rupees is available for on-grid systems with a capacity of 3 kilowatts or higher. The installation process for an on-grid system includes the placement of solar panels, ACDB, alternating current distribution board, DCDB, direct current distribution board, inverter, 3-point earthing for AC and DC, and lightning arresters. All electrical board related tasks will be handled by us. We provide end-to-end solutions, from subsidy procurement to installation. On-grid systems operate solely on electricity without the need for batteries, resulting in low maintenance and durability. The initial investment typically pays for itself within 3 to 4 years. An agreement for 25 years of free electricity from the KEB will be established. One limitation of on-grid systems is their reliance solely on electricity. In situations where there is no power during the daytime, despite sunny weather, the system will not operate. To address this, we may implement a hybrid system or install UPS, uninterruptible power supply, and batteries to utilize solar-generated power. Congratulations! You've successfully installed on-grid solar panels, reducing your carbon footprint and lowering your energy bills. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a brighter, more sustainable future. At A2Z Solar, we have 5 years of expertise in solar panel installation across Karnataka. If you're interested in installing on-grid solar panels and accessing subsidies, feel free to reach out to us for all your requirements.